Something's wrong. Those lights are flickering and it's not even flickering. Why? This is weird. Okay, let's just continue. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing a Catwoman inspired makeup using body paint and what do you call it? An SFX makeup? Yeah, I think so. I think that's it. So if you want to see how it goes, just keep on watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Keep on watching. I think I should do a time lapse. I'm afraid if this is gonna take a lot of time. Let's see, the time is 5:15 p.m. and let's see how this goes. I mean, we'll see when will this end. I'm gonna take off my glasses and I'll be blind for the whole video. Tune in. I should say that I have a picture for reference. So this is my picture. Goes by and I can't control my mind. that's it guys. This completes the look. This is my first attempt trying body paint. If you like this look, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment down below if you like it, and let me know in the comment section below what would you like to see next. A normal makeup or an SFX makeup. You could actually use the eye makeup for another look, a normal daily routine look. For me, I just like this look personally. This is the best I've ever done. Wait, I have something I bought a few years ago from Comic Fiesta. I don't know if this will match this look, but it could be fun. Wait a sec. I bought these. Look at mommy. Do I look like your mommy now? No. No? And I'm your mommy. Say I'm your mommy. Say I'm your mommy. Yeah. Okay, that's it guys for this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And you know what, if you don't know what to comment in the comment section below, you could comment meow. That's it guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye. Subscribe.